This is Konica Minolta Aeroscan CD10 Pro ultrasound machine. Portable. This is a portable machine with 15 inches screen and 12 inches touch screen and few ultrasound keys. It has got a power on time 1.5 minute only from switch on. Now machine is ready for scanning, so you just skip this one and machine is ready for scanning. So this machine has got two probe connector and inbuilt battery for 1 hour backup. Another battery slot is there for optional battery. One battery will give 1 hour battery backup. If you put another optional battery, that will give another 1 hour, means total 2 hours backup. The machine weight is only 4.5 kg. This is the patient button to enter the patient name and details. After putting the name and details, you have to press the OK button and you can start the scanning. If you want to change the transducer, just press the transducer button, and here in the touch screen you can see the probes connected. You just touch and go to the required preset like this. Also some parameters are there related to image quality. You can change it from this place. This is the touch screen. Now after freezing, if you want to measure, there is a measure button. Measure all these things, and here is the comment button to give comment like kidney or something other. This is the gain button. This is the overall gain button to increase the overall gain of the screen. And this is the TGC button. You can change the TGC from here. You can change the frequency, you can change the focus number, focus position, dynamic range, power, and the color tint. Like this is the color tint, these are the color tint you can get to differentiate between organ wall. And after changing this, there is a one button to go back to the by default way map. This is the freeze button. After freezing, here is the image saving button and clip saving button. Two individual buttons are there to save image and clip separately. So if you put the image button, it will save the image here like this. After that, if you want to take out the printout of the patient report, press the report button, go to the report and select the images. And you can take the printout from any Epson printer. Just you have to connect directly with this ultrasound machine. You can get this printout directly to the printer. If you have any pen drive or hard drive, you just connect it here, and you can save this image as there is a save as button. It will save the images to the hard drive or pen drive. It has got inbuilt 120 GB SSD to faster the application. Then if you want to recheck this patient after some days or some hours, then there is a function called review, and go to that patient, and here is the restart button. You can restart the application, restart the examination again with the previous images. With this machine you can connect the linear probe of 7 to 17 megahertz frequency. You can connect the convex probe of 2 to 5 megahertz frequency. Another probe, the cardiac probe, that is 2 to 4 megahertz, and TVS probe of up to 10 megahertz. And it has got the 200-degree viewing angle. I am showing you. So if you want to change the transducer, the transducers are pinless connector. You just open this one and you can connect anytime. Now here you can see the TVS probe is showing. Select. This is more than 200 degree. So doctor don't need to move frequently. It will show you the whole area in one shot. That's it. And it has got also a very low shutdown time. Just shut down the machine like this and this shut down. Pause this one once. Now we are showing some saved image from the gallery. You can see some cardiac examination images here. By just clicking on the image, you can see the previous images like this. These are some cardiac images. Now, if you want some abdomen, here is some abdomen images. Here's some cardiac images. This machine has some color and mode features also for advanced studies of heart. the TDI function. This is some gyne images.